Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Brainy English podcast. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, welcome. It's always so exciting to record a new episode. How are you feeling today?
I'm great, thank you. And you?
I'm feeling wonderful. And you know why? Because today's topic is super sweet. We're going to talk about a baby shower.
Yay! Just hearing the word makes me smile. Baby showers are such joyful celebrations.
Exactly. For those who don't know, a baby shower is a party to celebrate the upcoming birth of a baby. Family and friends get together, play games, and of course, give gifts to the parents-to-be.
Gifts are the best part. And today, we're going to listen to a dialogue between a customer and a shop assistant about baby shower gifts.
Yes, you'll hear useful vocabulary for baby items like bib, baby bottle, stroller, and many more.
After the dialogue, we'll come back, talk about the words, repeat them together, and practice. So, are you ready?
I'm so ready. Let's go and listen to the dialogue.
Hi, I'm going to a baby shower. Can you suggest some gifts?
Sure. How about a bib? Babies use it when eating. Or maybe a baby bottle with a soft nipple.
Oh, nice. What about bigger things?
We have a high chair for mealtime, a crib for sleeping, and of course a stroller for going outside.
Great options. Do you also have something for the car?
Yes, a car seat. And if you want, here's a baby carrier. Parents wear it on the chest to keep the baby close.
Perfect. I think I'll take the baby carrier.
Excellent choice.
Oh, that was so nice. I could really imagine being in that store.
Same here. And the words we just heard are super useful. So let's go through them one by one.
Let's start with the first word, bib. So a bib is like a small piece of cloth or sometimes plastic that you tie around a baby's neck when they eat. Babies are very messy eaters, right? Food falls, milk spills. The bib protects their clothes.
Yes. And I remember when my nephew was little, he had this bright yellow bib with a duck on it. Everything he ate, he looked like a tiny superhero with the cape.
That's cute. So remember bib, small cloth to keep baby's clothes clean while eating. Say it with us. Bib.
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 Next word, baby bottle. This is the bottle with a soft nipple. Parents fill it with milk, formula, or even water. Babies suck the milk through the nipple.
And it's really important because babies can't drink from a normal glass. The baby bottle is made just for them.
I remember once I tried drinking from a baby bottle as a joke. It was so hard. Babies are strong.
That's true. Okay, everyone repeat. Baby bottle. Baby bottle. Baby bottle.
The third word is high chair. So imagine a tall chair with a little table in front. Parents put their baby in it during meals so the baby is safe and can eat.
And oh my gosh, babies in high chairs are the messiest. Food everywhere, on the chair, on the floor, on their face.
Exactly. But it's safe because the baby can't move around or fall. So remember, high chair, special tall chair for eating.
Repeat with us. High chair. High chair. Now let's talk about crib. A crib is a small bed with high sides, usually made of wood. Babies sleep in it. The high sides keep the baby from falling out.
Yes, and cribs often have cute decorations like stars or animals. Some even have a little mobile, those hanging toys that spin slowly above the crib.
That's true. I remember once visiting a friend, and her baby had a crib with tiny glowing stars. It was magical.
Oh, that's lovely. So, crib.
Crib?
Crib. Next word, stroller. A stroller is like a little cart on wheels. Parents push it when they go for a walk outside. The baby sits or lies inside.
Yes, in the park, you always see parents with strollers. Some are super fancy with lots of pockets and even cup holders.
Right. And babies usually love the stroller because they can look around or they just fall asleep while moving.
Repeat with us. Stroller.
Stroller.
Now, the very important one, car seat. This is the special seat you put in the car for a baby. It keeps them safe while driving.
In many countries, it's the law. You can't drive with the baby unless they're in a car seat.
Exactly. Safety first. And I remember my sister saying the first time they put her baby in the car seat, the baby cried for 5 minutes and then fell asleep.
That's so common. Babies love car rides. So remember, car seat.
Car seat.
Car seat.
And the last one, baby carrier. This is like a little bag or soft seat that parents wear on their chest or back. The baby sits inside very close to the parent.
I love baby carriers. When the baby is small, they sleep against your chest and you can walk hands-free. It's so convenient.
And it's good for bonding too. The baby feels the warmth and heartbeat of the parent.
Exactly. My cousin used a baby carrier everywhere. Shopping, walking, even cooking sometimes.
Slaps.
Yes. So, baby carrier.
Baby
Carrier.
Okay, let's quickly review all the words.
Both. If.
Bib, baby bottle, high chair, crib, stroller, car seat, and
baby carrier.
Let's repeat them one more time, faster.
Bib, baby bottle, high chair,
crib,
stroller, car seat,
and baby carrier.
Woohoo! Good job, everyone.
So today we learned some essential baby shower vocabulary.
Yes, and now if you're ever invited to a baby shower, you know what gifts to bring and how to talk about them in English.
Thank you so much for listening to the Brainy English podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with your friends. Bye-bye.
Sunrise paints the eastern sky. A brand new day, let's learn to fly. With open minds and hearts so bright. Embrace the knowledge, pure delight. Brainy English, let's explore. Unlocking language, wanting more. Words like diamonds shining free. A world of stories, you and me. From grammar's rules to stories grand, new phrases flow at our command. Each lesson learned, a stepping stone to build a future all our own. So listen close and lend an ear. The world of words is drawing near. With every phrase a chance to grow. Let Brainy English start to flow.